Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 2018 Toyota Auris hybrid estate car. 2018 Toyota Auris hybrid, one owner, full service history, alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, rear camera, privacy glass in the rear, front parking sensors as well, keyless entry, keyless starting, half leather seats, actually full leather seats actually, locking wheel nut, instruction manuals in there, Isofix rear seat, power outlet there, down there, this is your camera here, rear camera, set of overmats that we're obviously going to leave in the vehicle, spare wheel, unusual now, closing compartment cover, that row of seats will fold down if you don't want them. As long as you have the keys on you, you touch this to lock it, and this unlocks it. Four electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat. Vehicle's done 14,468 miles. This is your stop start button here. Put on the brake, push that button, away the vehicle starts. Illuminated vanity mirrors both sides. Auto dimming rear view mirror. Rear camera. Navigation. Telephone. Media. CD player here. Has a power outlet here. Heated seats. USB and auxiliary there. Nice pocket here, store stuff as well. It slides forward if you want. Here you have your EV mode, eco mode and power mode. Gear lever. Dual climate. Cruise control. Here. Lane departure warning. This up here, you can change with this menu here. A different whatever option you want there really. Auto wipers. Auto lights as well. Auto lights. Self parking. Here. Self parking. Crash warning here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.